ice cream. So I'm not gonna use all of it because that's a lot. So this is white frosting, and I'm gonna use some powdered sugar. Now, if you notice, I'm not much for measurements. I just kind of go until I get the right consistency and the feel for what I want. So, and when you think you got enough, you're gonna need more. So again, it's all about getting the right consistency. It's still kind of sticky, see? So a little bit more sugar, and it looks like it's starting to take shape. It's starting to crumble and break, and that's perfect texture. That's exactly what I was looking for. Literally starting to look like ice cream, believe it or not. And see, it's still a little sticky. It crumbles, it breaks up like that. Okay, I got the texture. I think I'm pretty happy with this. It might need a little more, but I think that's good. Now what I'm gonna add next, is just for detail, is a little bit of chocolate chips. So there you have it. That is ice cream that will never melt. The best part, it is edible. It's just extremely sweet. You could also add food dye and get different flavors, different colors.